are looking at these two triangles. They are similar triangles because they're built from the same central angle. So basically this angle has built two different triangles. Okay, so the point of this story is that when we set up this triangle, when we share this central angle here, we are always going to create similar triangles here. So whether I make a small one or I extend it out and make a big one, these are in proportion with one another. Now, we have these ratios that are super essential to everything we'll do in this course, that they are simply defined as the ratios between these two sides. So a sine is defined to be what happens when you take the opposite side and divide it by the hypotenuse. The cosine is defined to be whatever you do, the ratio you get when you take the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. And then lastly, the tangent is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So this is all in relation to the angle. So if this is my angle, opposite is over here, adjacent would be here, and then of course the hypotenuse is there. Okay, and here's the punchline. When we are working with trig ratios, if they are built anytime, it doesn't matter how big a triangle you build from this central angle here. If you build it and extend it, no matter how small or how large the triangle that you build, I guess it'd make more sense from here. No matter how small, we could have cut the triangle here. We could have cut the triangle here. We could have extended it on forever and made a gigantic triangle. It wouldn't matter. The sine, cosine, and tangent ratios that you create from this angle are always going to be the same, because you are creating these similar triangles whenever you build off this one central angle. So in other words, as long as you build a right triangle off of this angle, your sine, cosine, and tangent ratios are always going to be the same.